So here we are at Van Wert Cartsmore, 883 North Washington Street here in the great town of Van Wert, Ohio. 419-238-2732. Looking at this gorgeous 2019 brand new EZGO Valor EFI fuel injected black EZGO body. Good looking cart. Has the black 14-inch wheels coupled with the low profile backlash street tires. So very, very good looking. Headlights, tail lights, 2-inch lift kit. Again, fuel injected. Pop the seat up here. And right there we go with the fuel injected 13.5 horse Kawasaki engine. What a great cart. Great engine, great cart. Everything about it, great. 4-passenger, does have the rear flip seat. So it will fold down into cargo area or bed area. And flip it back up, and now you have your 4-passenger seating. Again, we're here at 883 North Washington Street. Just looking at this good looking 2019 EZGO Valor EFI fuel injected 13.5 horse Kawasaki. Give us a call, 419-238-2732. Set up your test drive. Speaking of the test drive, let's just hop on here and go. So turn the key into the on position, hit the pedal. Guess what? Didn't even have to pull a choke button. Just get on, go. Cruise around. Well, I tell you what, this baby does ride good. Cruising on through here. Come back around. Gonna stop right back up here in front of the building. Once she gets up, it goes. So, again, we're at 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. 419-238-2732. Give us a call, stop in, take advantage of the low prices that we have on our remaining 2019 EZGO selection. Thank you very much for watching. Can't wait to meet you all, and have a great day.